What up, guys? They call me El Patronn, and this is the ride of the week. 2018 Honda Civic Type R. There's only a handful of these in the country, guys. Okay, Type R basically goes back, and it came back now. It only has 592 miles. Basically, the vehicle is a very desirable vehicle. We have it here at Brooklyn Mitsubishi, so very aggressive on the pricing. So no offer will be refused. Reasonable offer. We have financing for you guys. We welcome all the trade-ins, okay? And this is our new headquarters, so if you live outside of the States, we'll ship the car for you as well. You can shop us 24/7 at brooklynmitsubishi.com. So click the link below. Ask for El Patronn. Let's get you this nice Civic in your driveway. Let's go.